Today, we're pleased to announce the results of our pre-feasibility study for a potential expansion at our mine site at Pilgangoora. This potential expansion provides an enormous uplift in production capacity, more than 2 million tonnes per annum in the first few years of operation, and an average of 1.9 million tonnes per annum production run rate over the first 10 years, and builds on the P1000 project, which is currently in construction and due to come online within the next 12 months. This expansion will require the construction of a new processing plant that would sit alongside our existing processing plants at the Pilgangoora Operation. And it has the potential to create significant shareholder value through the combination of a large step up in production capacity coupled with a low unit operating cost base. We are now underway with the next level of feasibility study, which is due for completion in the December quarter next year. The scale benefits of this potential expansion further builds on Pilbara Minerals' position as one of the major lithium suppliers globally. This study outcome is an exciting development for Pilbara Minerals. We look forward to sharing future updates with you.